Have you ever looked at the world of Bitcoin and Ethereum and thought, that's fascinating, but how do I even get started? Maybe you've heard stories of incredible gains, or perhaps you're simply curious about the future of finance. You're not alone. Many people are intrigued by cryptocurrencies but feel overwhelmed by the technical jargon, the volatile markets, and the sheer number of platforms out there. It's easy to get lost in the noise, wondering if it's too complicated, too risky, or just not for you. But what if I told you there's a platform that makes buying Bitcoin and Ethereum as straightforward as buying stocks? A platform that's designed with simplicity in mind, built to help everyday Canadians navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. That platform is Wealthsimple. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to demystify the process of buying Bitcoin and Ethereum on Wealthsimple. We'll walk you through every single step, from setting up your account to making your first purchase, explaining everything in plain English along the way. Forget the complex charts and the obscure terminology. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge to confidently enter the world of crypto using a platform known for its user-friendliness and regulatory compliance in Canada. We'll cover everything from the initial sign-up and identity verification, which is a crucial step for security and regulatory adherence, to funding your account using various convenient methods. We'll then dive into the actual buying process for both Bitcoin and Ethereum, showing you just how easy it is to place an order. But we won't stop there. We'll also touch upon important aspects like understanding fees, how to manage your crypto holdings within Wealthsimple, and what sets Wealthsimple apart as a platform for crypto investing. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap and the confidence to take your first steps into the exciting world of digital assets. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of Bitcoin and Ethereum, stick around, because your crypto journey starts now. Getting started with Wealthsimple Crypto. The very first step on your Wealthsimple crypto journey is, naturally, creating an account. If you already have a Wealthsimple account for their other services like managed investing or self-directed trading, you are one step ahead. You can simply enable crypto trading within your existing account. If not, don't worry, the process is quick and intuitive. Step 1. Signing up for Wealthsimple. Head over to the Wealthsimple website or download their mobile app from your app store. You'll be prompted to sign up. This usually involves providing your email address and creating a secure password. Make sure you use a strong, unique password and consider enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, right away for an extra layer of security. This is incredibly important for any financial account, especially one dealing with cryptocurrencies. Two-factor authentication typically involves using an app like Google Authenticator or receiving a code via SMS to verify your login, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Step 2. Identity verification, KYC. Now, this is a crucial step for any regulated financial institution, and Wealthsimple is no exception. It's called Know Your Client or KYC, and it's in place to prevent fraud, money laundering, and to ensure compliance with financial regulations. Wealthsimple will ask for personal information to verify your identity. This typically includes your full legal name, your date of birth, your address, your social insurance number, SIN, and often, a picture of a government-issued ID, like your driver's license or passport. The verification process can be quite quick, sometimes within minutes if everything matches up. However, in some cases, it might take a few hours or even a couple of business days if they need to manually review your documents. Be patient, as this is a necessary step to ensure the security and integrity of your account and the broader financial system. Make sure the pictures of your documents are clear and all information is easily readable to avoid delays. Step 3. Opening a crypto account. Once your identity is verified, you'll need to specifically open a Wealthsimple crypto account. In the Wealthsimple app or on the website, you'll usually find an option to add account or enable crypto. Follow the on-screen prompts. Wealthsimple will also require you to complete a loss limit survey before you can start trading crypto. This is a regulatory requirement designed to assess your risk profile and help you understand the potential risks associated with crypto investing. It's a good reminder that crypto markets can be volatile, and it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. Funding your Wealthsimple account. With your Wealthsimple crypto account set up, the next logical step is to get some funds in there so you can actually buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. Wealthsimple offers several convenient ways to deposit money, catering to different preferences and needs. Option 1. Linking a bank account, electronic funds transfer. This is one of the most common and straightforward methods. You can link your Canadian bank account directly to your Wealthsimple account. Process: in the app, navigate to the Move Money section, then Add Funds. Select Linked Bank Account. You will typically be asked to log into your online banking portal through a secure third-party provider, like Flinks, to instantly link your account. This is a secure process that allows Wealthsimple to verify your bank account details. Availability: funds usually take 3 to 5 business days to fully settle and become available for withdrawal or internal transfers to other Wealthsimple accounts. However, Wealthsimple often provides an instant deposit limit, meaning a portion of your deposit might be available for trading immediately, even before the full amount clears. This limit varies per user and account type. Limits: Wealthsimple has generous deposit limits for linked bank accounts, often up to 1 million Canadian dollars daily. Option 2. Interac e-Transfer. Interac e-Transfers are a popular and quick way to send money in Canada, and Wealthsimple supports them for deposits. Process: select Interac e-Transfer as your funding method. Wealthsimple will provide you with specific instructions, including the recipient email address and a security question/answer to send the e-transfer from your bank. Availability: funds deposited via Interac e-Transfer are typically available instantly for trading. Limits: the daily limit for Interac e-Transfers is generally around 3,000 Canadian dollars. Your own bank might also have its own daily e-transfer limits, so be mindful of that. Option 3. Linked Visa or MasterCard debit. For quick, smaller deposits, using a linked debit card can be a great option. Process: add your Visa or MasterCard debit card to your Wealthsimple profile, similar to how you'd add it for an online purchase. Availability: funds are usually added instantly to your account. Limits: the daily limit for debit card deposits is often around 3,500 Canadian dollars. Keep in mind that not all debit cards are supported for instant withdrawals, but for deposits, it's generally a smooth process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.